Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about kitchen cleaning products, the Dawn Powerwash Dish Spray in refreshing lemon scent. This kit comes with one starter bottle and 3 refills, giving you a total of 64 ounces of powerful cleaning action. Product overview. If you're tired of scrubbing greasy pans or waiting overnight to soak your dishes, this spray is a total game changer. Dawn claims it removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time compared to regular dish soaps, and honestly, it delivers. The Power Wash formula includes 3 advanced cleaning boosters that activate instantly, creating rich suds that break down stubborn grease on contact. No need for water until you're ready to rinse. Just spray, wipe and rinse performance test. I tested it on a few messy pans with baked-on grease, and within seconds, the suds started lifting the grime. For really tough spots, I let it sit for a minute, and it wiped clean effortlessly. Plus, that fresh lemon scent leaves your kitchen smelling clean and bright. Value and sustainability. The starter kit is super convenient, and the refill bottles help you save money while cutting down on plastic waste. You just reuse your sprayer, no need to throw it away each time. Final thoughts. Overall, the Dawn Power Wash Spray is a must-have for anyone who wants faster, easier, and more effective dish cleaning. Whether it's daily messes or tough grease, this spray gets the job done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more honest product reviews every week. See you in the next one, and happy cleaning.